So I'm today in front of me Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap on the device connections, then click go to connection preferences and scroll a little bit down. After that tap to the NFC, and just to activate or turn off NFC we should click here on the switcher. And if you want to change the contactless payments, click here, and you have more than one payments applications, you can switch it here, but I have only one Google Pay app to pay. If you want to also here to use the NFC only when your device is unlocked, you should click here only once on the switcher, and to turn it off click on the switcher again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.